Ever met someone who just walks into a room and everyone instantly likes them? It's not luck, it's skill. And the good news? You can learn it. In this video, I'll reveal 9 psychological tricks from how to talk to anyone that turn awkward hellos into unforgettable first impressions. Part 1. How to intrigue everyone without saying a word. You only have 10 seconds to show you're somebody. 1. How to make your smile magically different. Don't smile instantly. Lock eyes, pause a beat, then let a warm smile spread slowly. The delay makes the smile feel personal and sincere rather than automatic. Walk into a meeting, look at someone, pause, then give them a slow, welcoming smile. Tip: practice the pause so the smile reads as genuine confidence, not awkward delay. 2. How to strike everyone as intelligent and insightful by using your eyes. Use steady, attentive eye contact when someone speaks. Let your eyes show you're processing. Focused gaze signals attention and cognitive engagement. People equate it with wisdom. While someone tells a story, hold a calm, interested look instead of glancing away. Tip: pair with a slow nod to show comprehension. Avoid starring. Break occasionally to stay natural. 3. How to use your eyes to make someone fall in love with you. Give one person more focused, warm eye contact in a group to single them out emotionally. Being singled out increases perceived exclusivity and importance. Powerful in attraction. In a group chat, look at one person more often when you're responding to them. Tip: keep facial expression warm and genuine. This is subtle, not stare-why or intense. 4. How to look like a big winner wherever you go. Use open posture, lifted chin, and deliberate movements to project success. Confident body language triggers respect and perceived competence from observers. Before entering a room, straighten spine, relax shoulders, walk with measured steps. Tip: hang by your teeth, visualization. Imagining head gently lifted helps posture instantly. 5. How to win their heart by responding to their inner infant. Mirror small, positive signals people show, smiles, softening tone, to meet them emotionally. Matching emotional cues calms the listener and builds fast rapport via mirror neurons. If someone softens voice when telling an anecdote, soften yours in reply and smile. Tip: don't mimic exactly. Gently reflect their tone to create empathy without mimicry. 6. How to make someone feel like an old friend at once. Greet with warmth as if you've known them. Tone: small, personal remark, relaxed body. Familiarity cues trigger memories of trusted relationships and lower social barriers. Hey, great to see you, with a small personal detail. How's your new cafe? Tip: use their name and a short, specific observation to create instant familiarity. 7. How to come across as 100% credible to everyone. Be calm, concise, and factual. Avoid filler words and exaggerated claims. Consistent calmness and specificity convey competence and truthfulness. Respond to a question with a short, concrete answer and one supporting detail. Tip: cut, just from practice, silence is better than filler and feels confident. 8. How to read people like you have ESP. Watch micro-expressions, posture shifts, and voice changes to interpret unspoken feelings. Nonverbal cues reveal emotional states faster than words. Catching them builds rapport. If shoulders tense when a topic comes up, pivot the talk to something lighter. Tip: combine observation with gentle open questions. You seem quiet about that. Everything okay? 9. How to make sure you don't miss a single beat. Scan the room briefly before engaging. Note energy, speaking style, and conversational rhythms. Matching the group's tempo and tone reduces social friction and increases belonging. Before joining a table, observe whether the group is high-energy banter or calm discussion. Tip: adjust your volume, speed, and humor level to match. Then step in with a relevant hook.